In this video, I will prove to you why you should not be using ChatGPT to replace your IELTS trainer, and I've come with receipts. This question 11 over here is a true-false not given question in Cambridge IELTS 20 General Training Book. While I was preparing for the explanation for the reading test for Cambridge IELTS 20, I realized that quite a lot of people made mistakes with this question. And to understand why people made this mistake, I used ChatGPT. Before we move on, this is the answer to question 11. Pause the video to read and to have your own judgment. I provided ChatGPT with the text and the question. The answer ChatGPT gave me for this question 11 is false. But the official answer is true, and I agree with the official answer, and that was my answer when I was doing this test. I gave my reason over here and asked it to reconsider, but as far as I'm concerned, I have never seen ChatGPT change its answer after the conversations with me. You can pause the video to see what it told me. And this is the second part of it. I still did not believe that it didn't change its mind, so I reasoned even more over here. And it told me that this statement is supposed to be false. At this point, I lost my interest, so I told it about the official answer of the Cambridge IELTS 20 book. And here is what it told me. Again, pause the video to read. But I really wanted to know why people might have misunderstood this statement, so I went a little bit further to ask it to explain to me the thought process that it had in the first place to come up with false as the answer. Because at the end of the day, we have to agree that ChatGPT and AI is trained with our knowledge and with our behavior as well. So the thought process would probably be the same as what other people might have had when they were doing this question. So pause the video to read the reason over here. If you have done this test and made the same mistake and had the same thought process as ChatGPT described, please tell me in the comment section. To me, the first time I did this test and did this question, I chose true as the answer. It wasn't confusing to me, but I am really curious to know what you were thinking when you were doing this test and this question. Now, this is not me telling you to stop using ChatGPT and AI to help you with IELTS. I'm simply telling you to be very cautious with whatever information that ChatGPT is giving you. Again, I want to remind you that whatever ChatGPT and AI knows now is based on what we know, and it behaves the way that we behave. So it makes mistakes the same way that we do. If you haven't done this test yet, check it out. It's free on my website, practice9.co. I'll see you there. For now, you have fun learning. Bye.